Hey guys, so today I decided to go ahead and film my apartment tour. It's super sunny, the weather's great, the lighting's excellent. It's the last sunny day for the next week, so it's now or never. I really hope that you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching the apartment tour video. If you've made it this far, I want to just go ahead and give some general information about the apartment. I've lived here for about 2.5 years, and we went through a couple of real estate agencies to find this building. The building is actually about 40 years old, so it's quite old for Japan standards, but the apartment has been updated and renovated before we moved in, so for me it didn't quite feel so old. We've also added our own touches and DIYs and made it our own. So actually the apartment is quite small. Living here, it doesn't feel very small. It feels totally fine, but it's actually only 50 square meters or 540 square feet, and the price is $1,500 a month. So maybe to some people that sounds kind of outrageous, but for us it's pretty normal, and I'm very satisfied with this apartment. I love living here. I'm very, very lucky, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thanks. Bye.